Hello everybody, welcome to LMT Machinery. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Diehl DPG15 profile grinder. If you have any questions on any of the machines we have on our website or on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 319-239-7702. You can also reach us by email at info@lmtmachinery.com. Our website address is lmtmachinery.com. Subscribe to see more videos. We put them out every now and again. Here we go. Like I said, it's a Diehl profile grinder, DPG15, 220 volts, 3-phase. For those of you that are familiar with profile grinders, you'll know this is pretty clean. Looks like it has been repainted. It's an 1 13/16 mandrel. It does have a hydro lock grinder arbor. There's a couple unique features on this machine. One, your hand wheel for your angle is right here. That makes it super easy to move up and down. There's your relief angle cuts right there. This raises up and pulls the V-notch out. There's a manual adjustable speed, but at least it's not a step pulley. This is for dressing your grinding wheel right here. One side and the other, you do have to move the table all the way over. The table is locked right now. It's nice and smooth. Does have your 2 water jets, and just like on many of them, it has one for right there. Take a quick walk around here and you can take a look at it. It's not a perfect machine, but it's not an expensive machine. Give you the serial number. Like I said, model number DPG15. Serial number looks like 97M-6285-5702. Looks like it has the date of 1/21/97. I'm going to set the camera down here and I will start her up. I'm only going to turn on the wheel because obviously I don't have any coolant in the tank. You want to crank it up, it's done right here. about 500 to 1100 RPM. And that click you heard is because I did not tighten up the mandrel. Take a look here. You can see this is a hydrolock. Put you down so I don't. So this has hydraulic fluid and it actually expands. There is a locking key on there, so you can't pull it off, which is what I was struggling with right there. And there is the key that inserts into it. So you can't just pull it off. You have to do a slight twist. Okay, and just tighten this up here. And now she won't go anywhere. Again, if you have any questions on any of the machines we have on our website, give us a call, 319-239-7702. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll see posts every now and again of new machines running if you're interested in that sort of thing. Thank you very much for visiting us here, and have a wonderful day.